Hello everyone, this is Pradip Thapa, and today I'm gonna give a sort presentation on the Fate Unique Gratitude Attributes. As I'm the master's student of Fate University, I've recently completed my ITECH 7415 master's project. Project details. For the master's project, we have done the and mobile Android development of and mobile Android applications for the Lebanese restaurant. As these restaurants only have the website where customers can only view the food items, it doesn't have any other features than that. So in our Android mobile applications, we give out various features like uh, reservations of tables, ordering the food items through mobile applications, so that the clients can have the high increase in sales and profit. Uh, and during the completion of the during doing the master's project and the completion of the master's project, I have gained the various attributes like thinkers, innovators, citizens, communicators, and leaders. Firstly, thinkers. In this attributes, I learned that like thinking is should be done before doing any tasks. So when we like form up the group and then we think about the client problem, we think about how we gonna solve the client problem, and then how we gonna do the system designing, how we gonna develop the system designing, which tools we gonna use for our master's project. So this was the and a various thinking process we done in our master's project. And basically I did the various like literature review, I did the various research on the previous articles on the similar project, and then I did the research on how to do how we gonna make our product design. So basically I did very much thinking before starting our master's project. Innovators in these attributes again about the creativity. As whenever we do any system design or develop any system, then we should be creative, we should create our own way to develop the new design. As we need to look after the system which have been always done by the other designer, but we need to make our system very much unique and then be much creative. Citizen, usually the citizens focus on being act to be friendly, to be responsible. You should consider the code of ethics as the other masters in the masters project. We make sure that the privacy of client is very much secure, and then we interact each others like with team members, supervisors, and then tutors, so that we can act friendly. This helps to be responsible for all the projects and all the tasks we have done. Communicators. This attributes is famous and required, so that it makes that everything is going well in within the group members along with the supervisor and clients. As you do frequently communicating with each team members, each supervisor, so you can make sure that what you're gonna do in upcoming days, and you can review each activity. Make sure that your project is going on the right track by communicating with the team members, that you are finishing all the tasks, breakdown on the task breakdown is fulfilled on the time. Leaders, actually this attributes is very much useful for me, because I did the work down structure for all the team members of our group member, growing our skills and management. And then I set all the setting deadlines for our tasks, like for sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, for making the storyboard, for making up the project write off. So this attributes helps me like to work in the real world scenario, so that how we should work in the group members, how we should allocate the tasks, and how we should set the deadline, so that there will be no problem to giving the final product to the client. And the motivation, like every when we work in the team, we should motivate the each team members, that sometimes the skills and knowledge of the each team members should be like some may be highly knowledgeable, some get lower skills. So we should be motivating each team members to be focusing on the tasks. Overall, that I got very much knowledge about the software and software developer and the system analyst. I think this course will be very much applicable for me to utilize in the real world experience. And thank you I'd like to thank all the tutors, supervisors, and team members for fulfilling all the requirements of the clients and completing the course in time. Thank you.